Alright, what's up guys, it's G3 Fishing TV back with another video, and it's been a while since we made one, but me and my dad are out here at the lake gonna try to do some fishing, and it's cold out here, but we're gonna try to do some fishing out here. So we'll get back to you once we get on the water. We're going to a new spot.
Some people think less is more, but when it comes to car shopping at CarMax, we think more is more. Like more cars with more features and more options. And transparent financing that puts you in the driver's seat. Plus, a 30-day money-back guarantee to give you more time and up to 1,500 miles to be sure it's true love. So open the door to more at CarMax and discover the way car buying should be. Learn more at CarMax.com. Geico presents motorcycle sounds. If you hear this, and within 15 seconds you already know that it's a 6-speed cruiser with a wheelbase of 120 inches, a V-twin 2-cylinder engine with a max torque of 110 foot-pounds, a bright yellow body, black upholstery, chromed out wheels, a nice clean fairing, and a big dresser in the back ready to tour, well then you probably ride a motorcycle. So you probably know that Geico could save you even more when you bundle motorcycle with your home or car insurance. Geico Motorcycle. Save even more when you bundle.
Since I could hold my head up high, it's been a while since I can see I love myself as well. It's been a while since I've gone and fucked things up, just like I always do. And it's been a while, but all that shit seems to disappear when I'm with you. And everything I straight, and it's been a while since I've said sorry. It's been a while since I've seen the way candles light your face. And it's been a while, but I can still remember just the way you did. Everything I can remember.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Most of it, we didn't catch anything on this video, but you got to see what we were doing, and you got to see the ice. So, thanks for watching this video, and give us a thumbs up, and like, subscribe to our channel, and go look at our Instagram at G3 Fishing TV and Facebook. And thanks for watching. See y'all.